everyone. So, have you ever wondered why athletes drink those sugary sports drinks during a game? Or why do you feel more alert after eating a chocolate bar when you are tired? Today, we are going to talk about something that happens inside our body every single day. It's about how sugar gives us instant energy. And I promise, I am not going to make this complicated. This is going to be super simple. Just you and me having a simple chat about something that is happening inside our body right now. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how that chocolate bar gives you a quick boost and what's actually happening at the cellular level. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi, I am Aditi. I am certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Alright, first thing first. When I say sugar, I am mainly talking about glucose. Now, glucose is like our body's premium fuel, specifically for our cells. Think of it in this way. If your body were a car, then glucose would be the gasoline. But here is the thing. Our body cannot use that sugar which is coming directly from that chocolate bar. It needs to convert it into something that our cells can actually use. It's like how you cannot just pour crude oil directly into the car's tank. It needs to be refined first, right? So, when we eat something sweet, let's say a banana or a piece of bread, our digestive system breaks it into glucose. This glucose then enters into our bloodstream, and this is where the magic begins. Our blood is like a delivery service. It carries that glucose to every single cell in our body that needs energy. And trust me, every cell needs it. From your brain cells, which is helping you think right now, to your muscle cells, which is helping you in sitting or standing. Now, let's talk about why sugar gives us instant energy compared to, let's say, proteins or fats. Let's imagine that you have 3 packages to open. The first package is already unwrapped and ready to use. That's sugar. The second package is wrapped in a bubble wrap. That's protein. And the third package is locked inside a safe. That's fat. Now, which one can you access really fast? Obviously, the unwrapped one, which is the sugar. This is exactly what happens inside our body. Recent research shows that glucose molecules are relatively simple structures, so our body can break them down super quickly. And we are talking about minutes, not hours. Here is what actually happens. When glucose enters into our cells, it goes through a process called glycolysis. Now, don't let that word scare you. Glyco means sugar and lysis means breaking down. It literally means sugar breaking down. Now, during glycolysis, that one molecule of glucose gets split up through about 10 different steps. Think of it like a factory assembly line but in reverse. Instead of building something, we are breaking it apart piece by piece. and with each step, energy is being released. The coolest part is, this process does not even need oxygen to get started, and that's why it's so fast. Your cells can begin extracting energy from sugar immediately, even before oxygen arrives on the scene. Let me give you a real-world example that will make this crystal clear. Imagine you are running to catch a bus. You started sprinting and your leg muscles suddenly need a lot of energy really fast. Your body cannot wait around for fat to be broken down as it will take too long. So, what will it do? Well, it will immediately start breaking down glucose through glycolysis, which will start powering your leg muscles within seconds. Your breathing will get heavier in order to bring more oxygen, and then the full energy making process kicks in. This is exactly why marathon runners drink those sugary drinks during their race. They are literally refueling their glucose supplies so their muscles can produce that instant energy. Now, here is something important to understand. Not all sugars are created equal in terms of how they affect our energy. When you eat pure sugar, your blood glucose level spikes really fast. Your cells suddenly start swimming in fuel, producing tons of energy. You feel great, energized, awake. But then your body goes, "Whoa, that's too much of glucose." And then it starts releasing insulin, which brings that level back to normal. And sometimes it overcorrects it. Your blood sugar drops and then you start feeling tired again. This is what people call a sugar crash. It's like riding on a roller coaster, big high, big low. However, when we eat complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, vegetables that contains fiber, the glucose is released much more slowly. Our energy levels stay more consistent. It's less of a roller coaster, more of a gentle wave. Recent research emphasizes that this steady glucose supply is much healthier for our cells and give us more sustainable energy throughout the day rather than those quick peaks and quick crashes. So there you have it, the science behind how sugar gives us instant energy, explained as simply as I could make it. To recap, glucose from sugar gets absorbed into our bloodstream. It then enters into our cells, goes through glycolysis in order to produce quick energy, and then continues through additional processes to extract even more energy. All of this can start happening within minutes after we eat something really sweet. Your body is basically an incredibly efficient energy processing machine, and glucose is its favorite quick access fuel. Pretty cool, right? So, the next time when you eat something sweet and you feel quick energy boost, you will know exactly what's happening inside your body at the cellular level. Do let me know in the comment section what other biology topics would you like me to break down. If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also get an idea about how do they really feel fully energized after they eat something really sweet. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.